Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to go over 7 trending products you could possibly sell in 2019 and make some money on your e-commerce store. We're going to go and look at these products in the slides, and then we're going to go through the trends, and then we're also going to go on Facebook and look at some advertising, some adverts on Facebook that people are running right now to promote these particular products. All right, so let's jump in, guys. Nice and quick, nice and easy video today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell so you know when I drop my next video, and leave a comment below, guys, if you have any questions. I'm online for the next 24 hours answering every single question. So guys, if you run a dropshipping store or an e-commerce store and you want some products to sell, well, you're going to have to find some. And the best thing to do at kind of like the start of each year is there's always kind of trends. So trends are seasonal and stuff, but at the start of each year, there's usually a bunch of products that just hit a trend, or they have been trending and they just spike up and have a bit of a spike. So the first product we're going to be looking at, guys, and this has an absolutely massive spike right now, is crystal water bottles. And these are on AliExpress right now, but there is not a lot of orders. I'm not sure why these are, for some reason these are quite new to AliExpress, but I have seen them on AliExpress before. But you can see the trend down here, and then there is a massive boost at the end here. Now, these are actually selling. So this video here was posted 3 weeks ago, guys, and it's already got 1.6 million views. And I've found other ads as well that have lots of views as well. So like everyone's been saying, guys, you have to use videos in 2019. As you can see, this is a very good video. Go through, they hold the products and stuff. You can pay people to do videos for you. You can do them yourself, but there are professional services that you can use to sell products and make videos. But the thing is, guys, if you want to get millions and millions of views and make good money, you're going to have to do videos now, because that's what's really converting on Facebook, pretty much 2019 and beyond. I still use images for testing, but I always translate into videos once I find a product that's working. So that's crystal water bottles, guys, and they are selling on Facebook right now, and they are trending up, and they have a big spike. Although I think these people are doing like maybe white labeling or something, or have their own branded ones, because there's not a big demand on AliExpress right now. However, that could be a good thing. It could mean that there's about to be a big spike on AliExpress because of the popularity of these water bottles. So you might get in early on this as a dropshipping product. Now, the next one, guys, is something that you probably think, why would these be selling? Well, YouTube is booming right now, and everyone's looking for LED ring lights. We have 4 in this house. My girlfriend has one. I have 3 because I've broken 2, and I have 1 left. And that's just me. I'm just one person. We're just, one household. We have 4 ring lights. These are kind of like had a bit of a trend, and then spike, and now they're spiking again. But these guys have a huge amount of orders on AliExpress right now. Thousands of orders. People are buying this particular product, and there are ads running right now on Facebook. Once again, videos of this particular product, and this one has had 327,000 views in just a month. And guys, keep in mind, this is just one ad I found. There are hundreds of ads that I saw. Some of them had little views, some of them had a lot of views, but we know this product is selling. And if you know anything about e-commerce and dropshipping, you know to model other people instead of starting from scratch and trying to reinvent the wheel. So the second product, guys, is going to be the LED ring light. This is very popular right now, and YouTube is becoming a massive platform for people to start using, get popular and stuff. And 99% of them are using ring lights, whether it be an iPhone ring light or a bigger ring light. We have the big ring lights, and we also have some iPhone ring lights as well. And people are buying them. Okay, now, and that's got, trending up, and it's got a bit of a spike at the moment. Number 3, guys, is portable blenders. This has a big spike right now, and I went on Facebook. There are ads absolutely everywhere. These are selling. These are hot right now. Really, really hot. Back in 2017, guys, I was selling those solar power phone chargers. It was like the hottest product back then. These are kind of like the same thing right now. They are the hottest product right now in 2019. Portable blenders, they're selling on AliExpress, plenty of them. They are trending up. And once again, there are ads for these particular products. I've got my notifications open. Let's just get rid of those real quick. Okay, I've got rid of those guys. Now these portable blenders, this is actually a branded store. These guys are probably not drop shipping. They could be, but I don't know. But these are the portable blenders, guys. Go on Facebook, see what kind of ads they're doing. Once again, video ads, and you can go and see how they're doing it. Now get this, guys. This video has 24 million. Yes, 24 million views. Okay. No one spends that kind of money on ads unless they're making money, okay? It can cost they've spent hundreds and thousands of dollars on this particular ad alone, not including any other ads that they're running, guys. So that, guys, is a portable blender. I probably should have put this at number 2 or even number 1 because it is a really hot product for 2019. Portable blenders, okay? The next one, guys, is back posture correctors. I actually have one of these myself because I have a bad back. These are booming right now. Orders on AliExpress are 18,000, guys, and we have a massive trend as well. And once again, if you go onto Facebook, we have some videos here. Now, I couldn't find a lot of videos with massive views on this particular product. This one here, 2 weeks ago, 26,000 views. And that was kind of like what I was finding. However, that doesn't mean you can't sell these on Facebook. It could mean that maybe the trend is about to start on Facebook, or, you could maybe be able to get in early. Who knows? But these are selling on Facebook, but there just isn't that big viewership, like view count, like the other products like the blender and stuff like that. However, you could possibly give this a go, guys. Back posture corrector, right? I'm not going to go over this product too much because it's kind of self-explanatory, and it does have a big spike right now and it's trending. So this is a product that you could possibly go and test and make some money. Now, number 5, guys, this has been popular for a long time. This isn't really having a massive spike right now. It's kind of had a big spike come down, but it is coming up again, probably for a big spike. And overall, it is kind of coming up, a good trend. It's coming up, and it stayed consistent. And once again, lots of orders on AliExpress, and it is on Facebook right now. This one is an old ad, 7 months ago, 646K views. So they spent a lot of money to get, to make money. However, this one here, guys, is only a week old, 108,000 views. Okay, I do know that these sell very well because I've never actually sold these before, but I do know some of my students and a couple of my friends have sold these and had very good success with these particular products. And it's not a really hot product, but it's got a consistent trend up over time, so they do sell. Just depends on your marketing. It's all in the video. If you're good at marketing, you can sell these products without any problem. These car phone holders, and there's actually different types. There's ones that stick on the dash. They're like leather or kind of matte ones, and then there's the ones that stick in the vents as well. So you got quite a few choices to go and do marketing videos and stuff around these particular products. Now, vegetable slices. I have made a ton of money with these in the past. I've done watermelon slicer. I've done all sorts of kitchen stuff. The kitchen niche is really big. A couple of my students are in the kitchen niche. Vegetable slicer is actually, so these dots mean that the stats are kind of inconsistent. Google hasn't been able to confirm the stats. However, if these stats are real, and this is which could be, because I've seen a lot of vegetable slicer ads around at the moment. But if this is for real, guys, and this trend is pretty much confirmed once Google figures out their data, then you want to jump on this because there is a massive spike coming. Okay, look at that. The dots mean that it's inconsistent data, but if it turns out to be correct, then you could be on something here, okay? Once again, huge amount of sales on AliExpress, lots of options, and vegetable cutter is also coming up on a trend, but vegetable slicer is on a big upward trend if that turns out to be correct. And once again, this one here is 12 months old, 1.6 million views, but this one here is only 2 weeks old, guys, 66,000 views. So this is an ad that's obviously hasn't scaled yet or peaked, but they are getting into that stage. They're probably just testing and stuff like that. But I mean, 66,000 views is a good amount of views. Like they've obviously made money with this particular product. Once again, nice, simple ad, guys, video. It's not that long, less than a minute. And you can get these, you can pay people online to do these. I might leave my video guy down below and you can check him out. And he might be able to do some videos for you guys as well. So that is the vegetable slicer. Okay, guys. This is a hot product. I know people that have made a lot of money with this particular product, the vegetable slicer, but there are different variations. Like there's the one that's kind of like a comb, you put a knife in, you cut onions and stuff like that. There's the one that's on the right here, it's kind of like a shredder. And then there's the one I just showed you here, which is the crank one, and it just cranks out a bunch of stuff, right? You just cut whatever you want. It's kind of like a mincer, but for vegetables. So that's number 6, is it? Yes. Now number 7, guys, I couldn't find any ads running right now, but I did add it in anyway because it has been a major seller in the last kind of 2 years, is the gaming mouse. The gaming mouse kind of has these ups and downs, but at the moment it's trending up and it looks like it might be having another spike. So you could possibly, and it's selling 10,000 orders, 16,000 orders. That's just 2 products. So it is selling, guys, but it is going to come up. It is on a little bit of an upward trend right now, so this could be a good product to jump into as well and test out and stuff like that. All right, guys, that's 7 trending products, guys. There's actually hundreds of products that you can sell, but I can only fit so many in a video. Number 1 is the crystal water bottle, trending. Number 2 is the LED ring light. It's a consistent, and there's a bit of a spike here coming down, but could be spiking up again, but it's a consistent trend, and YouTube is big right now. The portable blender, this is a banger for 2019. This is a hot seller. This is trending up, and we have a big upward swing as well. A little bit of inconsistent data according to Google, but if that turns out to be correct, you're in the money. We have the back posture, huge trend up on that one. We have the car phone holder, quite consistent. Big trend down, seems like it's coming up again. We have the vegetable slicer. If this turns out to be correct data, guys, money in the bank. And this one is trending up as well, which is vegetable cutter. And then we have the gaming mouse as well. So that is 7 dropshipping products you can go and test right now, guys, on your dropshipping stores. Tap that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, tap the like button, leave a like on this video if it helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.